How to change flicker free shutter based on Blackmagic camera. So if you want to change the flicker free from 50 Hz to 60 Hz, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Blackmagic camera on your phone. Then on the Blackmagic camera page, click on settings. Now once you click on settings, scroll down the settings page, locate flicker free shutter based on, and here you can see mine is set to 50 Hz. And just click on that and switch to 50 or 60 depending on your choice. And once you choose 50 or 60 on the flicker based page, then you'll be able to switch the Hz on the camera. So you can go back again to the flicker free shutter based page, then switch to 50 Hz or stick to 60 Hz. So basically by default, the flicker free shutter based on is set to 50 Hz. And once you've set that, hit the back button. And then you are good to go. You can now go ahead and start recording on your Blackmagic camera. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.